Okay, TK friends, today we are going to be on the word hunt for two sight words. We're looking for the sight word see and we're looking for the sight word we. Our book today is called In the Fall. And these are things that you see during the season fall. We talked a little bit about this during morning meeting. We talked about how we're in a new season and there's lots of changes that happen and it starts to get colder and the days start to get shorter. So this book talks about all the things that happen in fall. So let's get our highlighter ready. You're going to color this book, and then you're also going to be on the lookout for these two words, see and we. In the fall. We see leaves. We and see. And remember, if you look at the pictures, it will help you figure out what word is on that page. Look at the picture. Think about what is that? We see acorns. We and see. Look at the picture. Okay, do you know what you're looking at? Here we go. We see squirrels. We see squirrels. These are all the things that we see in the fall time. Look at the picture. We see we see apples. Now, if it was basket, because there's a basket, this would have a B. But since it begins with the letter A, and we know that letter A makes the sound we think of what we see in the picture with that sound, and that is apples. Look at the picture. We see pumpkins. It's going to get a little bit harder. Look at the picture, friends. We see Yes, we see turkeys. Okay, this one's a little bit harder, so I'm going to help you, okay? These are called Native Americans, and we usually see or learn about Native Americans when we're learning about Thanksgiving and the story about Thanksgiving. We see Native Americans, and when we get to November, we'll be reading lots of books about Thanksgiving. Again, during Thanksgiving, we learn about pilgrims. So I'll be reading lots of stories about Native Americans and pilgrims. We see pilgrims. Okay, and then the last one is a different pattern, and it says, I like fall. And this is, a lot of times we see this during Thanksgiving. It's called a cornucopia. And that's usually what you see kind of on a table when you're ready to have your Thanksgiving feast. And that is your In the Fall book, friends. And now these books, I want you to save them because they should go somewhere like in your take-home reading bag where you could practice them every day and practice your pointing power while you read. Okay, friends, nice job.